tayo guys. Ito ang aming ulam. Ayan. Napakasarap na crispy pork belly. Ayan. Sarap-sarap yan guys. Yummy. Tara, kaon kita. With stir-fry mixed veggies. And of course, basmati rice. Tara, kain tayo. Look at that guys. Yummy. Tara, kain na kita. Ito na guys ang aking plato. Tara. Kaon na kita. Kauna na. Karaona na. Ayan, look at that. Very crispy guys. Sarap yan.